Then now I'll be recording the Word document. So I'll just click on the Word document here. I'll open the document that I've selected and I'm here. So everything that the OBS will just capture this space. It will not capture anything else. So I can start teaching, and I want to teach on, for this lesson, maybe I want to teach on the most beautiful mathematical equation. I want to teach on the most beautiful mathematical equation. And in this one, I'll talk about three numbers that are in mathematics and probably in engineering. There is numbers that are called transcendental numbers. These are numbers that cannot come as a solution to a certain equation. When you have an equation like 2x plus 3 is equals to 0, you can write 2x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 3 all over 2, which is negative 1.5. Now, this number 1.5 is a solution to a certain equation. But there are those numbers that cannot be obtained as a solutions to a given equation. We call them the transcendental numbers. We call them the transcendental numbers. I want to talk about them here. So we have one of them is E. And this number is, the value is expressed as 2.7182. We have 8182845 You cannot come to the end of that. There is something called pi. I know everybody must have heard about pi. The value is around 3.14159. 26535,898. Again, there is another number, I, usually denoted by I, which is the square root of -1. Now, definitely, it is not important to get two numbers that you square to get, or a number that you square to get -1. So this number is not real. It's actually called imaginary. So now you have this, these are transcendental. This one is imaginary. Normally pi is an irrational number. So this number and this one communicates to I and tells it, hey, and tells I, hey, you, get real. Why are you imaginary? And this one talks back and says, I, you, see who is talking. Why don't you become rational first? And now there is the E. The number E tells them, hey, you two, why are you arguing? This one tells the two, why are you arguing? Why don't you come together? Why can't you come together? So the two comes together. The two comes together pi I. Sorry, we have pi I. Then we have E. Now, when you add 1 to this, the result is 0. So that you have some three completely ridiculous numbers, and you put them together, then you add 1, you get 0. And this one seems to say, hey, come to me, let us be one. So this equation is regarded as the most beautiful equation in mathematics. It's called the Euler's identity. Now, this is basically how you can teach. Once you are done, you stop recording.